In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redesign a Wix website. Whether you're looking to freshen up an old site or start from scratch with a brand new look, this guide will help you navigate the various tools Wix offers, making the redesign process both exciting and seamless. First, you'll start by visiting the Wix Studio Sites page. This is your central hub for managing all your Wix websites. If you haven't already bookmarked it, now's a great time to do so for easy access in the future. Once you're there, you'll be presented with a list of all your sites. Next, you'll want to select the particular site you're planning to redesign. This process is straightforward. Just browse through your inventory of sites until you find the right one. Once you've located it, click on Select Site, and you'll be brought to its unique dashboard. Here, you have a wealth of options at your fingertips, designed to streamline your site management tasks. Following this, click on Edit Site. This is your gateway to the Wix editor, a powerful tool that lets you alter every aspect of your site's appearance. In the editor, the world is your oyster, and the design possibilities are endless. Now, on to adding elements. This feature is like your toolkit, full of widgets and components you can use to build up the content of your site. Whether it's text boxes, buttons, images, or videos, you can drag and drop to arrange them exactly how you like. Then, consider adding sections to your site. Sections are blocks of content that help structure your website in a visually appealing and organized manner. You can use them to introduce new topics, showcase different products, or guide users through sections seamlessly. The next step is to navigate to Pages and Menu. Here you can manage the essential navigation of your site. This function allows you to add new pages, reorder existing ones, and ensure that everything flows logically from one page to the next. When you're ready for a more cohesive look, head over to Site Design. In this section, you can update color schemes, typography, and other design aspects to ensure a consistent visual identity across your pages. For more functionality, click on Add Apps. Wix offers a variety of applications to enhance your site. From forms to social media integrations, apps can provide added features that cater to your audience's needs. Another creative option is the Media function. Here, you can add and manage your media content, such as images and videos, to make your website more engaging. Use high-quality images and videos to tell a compelling visual story. Redesigning your Wix website can feel like a daunting task, but with these steps, you'll find it manageable and rewarding. So dive in, experiment with different layouts, and create a website that truly represents your brand's identity. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you feel empowered to start your redesign journey with confidence.